Hello and welcome to Mr. Gadget channel. In today's video I will show you how to rename multiple files at once. First, select all the files you want to rename. Right click and rename. Now you have three options: replace text, add text, or format. First, I will show you replace text option. It's working same way as in text editors. You need to type what you want to find and replace with. In my files, I have same date. And I want to replace it by MacBook. Here you can check, example, one of the files with replaced word. Now, as you can see, the date in all files was replaced by MacBook Word. Now let's take a look on second option, add text. You can add text after the name or before the name of file. If I want to add something after the name, let's say raw, just type it and hit rename. It will be added at the end of the file. If I want to do same before the file, just change before name. As you can see, Mr. Gadget was added before the name. The third option is format. You can format your file names with these options: name and index, name and counter, name and date. You can also choose where you want to put it, before the name or after the name. Let's say I want to add counter after the file names. I will choose after the name, counter will start from 1, and now hit rename. As you can see, all the files have numbers, starting from 1. You can also use custom format. Let's say I want to rename it to image with current date. I will choose date after the name and hit rename. All images were renamed to image plus current date. If this video was helpful for you, please like and subscribe. For more macOS tutorials, please check my playlist macOS. Thanks for watching.